Ever wished you could travel to your dream destination without leaving your home? Imagine walking through the bustling streets of Tokyo or basking in the glow of a Hawaiian sunset, all without changing out of your pajamas. Welcome, dear listener, to the world of virtual travel. Picture this. A man lounges in his comfortable armchair, a pair of sleek virtual reality goggles perched on his nose. He's not just sitting in his living room, oh no, he's trekking through the Amazon rainforest, the sounds of exotic birds and rustling leaves filling his ears. He's experiencing an adventure of a lifetime right from the comfort of his own home. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a testament to the amazing strides we've taken in technology. Virtual travel, also known as digital or VR tourism, has made it possible to explore the world without the constraints of time, money, or even physical limitations. Hey, fellow explorers, are you enjoying this virtual journey as much as we are? If so, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. It helps us continue to bring these amazing virtual travel experiences to you. Want to travel more with us? Click on the subscribe button and join our community of virtual travelers. You'll get notified when we have more exciting destinations to explore together. Now let's continue our journey. Virtual travel experiences are not just about sightseeing. They are about immersing oneself in the culture, history, and spirit of a place. Imagine walking through the majestic corridors of the Palace of Versailles, hearing the whispers of past royal intrigues. Travel can take you to the lesser-known corners of the world, the hidden gems that only the locals know about. You could find yourself in a quaint little cafe in Vienna, savoring the aroma of freshly baked pastries, or strolling through a lively night market in Bangkok, surrounded by the enticing of street food. Or consider diving into the vibrant undersea world of the Great Barrier Reef, swimming alongside the most colorful fish you've ever seen. It's not just about the famous landmarks either. Virtual travel doesn't replace the thrill of actual travel, but it offers an alternative for those who may not have the means or the ability to venture out. It offers a taste of the world to those who are hungry for new experiences, those who yearn to break free from the confines of their everyday lives. It can provide therapy and relief for those with mobility issues, offering them a chance to explore and experience a world that might otherwise be inaccessible. Think about the possibilities. Virtual travel can bring education to life, making history and geography a tangible, immersive experience for students. In summary, virtual travel is a game changer. Not just about seeing the world, it's about experiencing it, about feeling the pulse of a foreign city. It's about breaking down the barriers that keep us from exploring our incredible planet. So next time you wish you were somewhere else, remember, your dream destination is just a pair of virtual reality goggles away. Welcome to the future of travel, a world where you can journey to the ends of the earth without ever leaving your home, about tasting the flavors of a far-off land.